Are you afraid of flying, driving across bridges, spiders, snakes, small spaces, or even public speaking? Have you had a physical or emotional trauma that still bothers you to today? Maybe it was an accident or an injury or an unexpected loss. Do you feel like you're probably going to need years upon years of expensive therapy to overcome these issues? Maybe, maybe not. I'd like to introduce you to EVOX Perception Reframing. We've been doing EVOX appointments here at Naturally Unbridled Wellness since 2017. And the reason I brought EVOX technology into the office is because I definitely had noticed that we had some population of clients who would hit a plateau in their wellness journey. And it was typically because there was an unresolved emotional issue that was holding them back. So at that point, I brought in EVOX Perception Reframing. So EVOX involves typically about a 1-hour appointment where you wear this headset with a microphone and you use this biofeedback hand cradle. And during that time, you talk about whatever it is that's a stressor for you. You don't have to go into the gory details. You can just give generalizations. But if you talk about the situation, the stress you're experiencing around that will be reflected in the vocal tones in your voice. Our technology is recording the vocal tones, not the words that you're saying, and it's recognizing the stress patterns, and then through the hand cradle sends you a corrective signal. So in addition to sending you the corrective signal to reprogram the frequency of your energetic field when you're thinking about this specific trauma, stressor, etc., we can also imprint a customized homeopathic remedy that is specific for what you're going through. Now, I tell everybody, here's what to expect when you have an EVOX appointment. Expect to leave the appointment at the end of the session and think, that was weird, and I don't think it did anything. And then typically within about a week, I'm getting an email about how changed your life is. And it's happened enough times since 2017 that I can say with confidence that this technology works. The best part is that it's most often a one and done per topic. So if there's one specific thing that's really bothering you, like you want to go to Mexico, but you hate the idea of being on a plane, or you have to give a talk in order to get a promotion at your work, EVOX might be the best solution for you. If you want to do a deeper dive into EVOX, I have a 9-minute video on my website. So if you go to naturallyunbridled.com and click on the services tab, and then look for EVOX, EVOX, and there's a 9-minute video that'll explain that to you. If you'd like more information, we'd be happy to help you overcome what's holding you back from your wellness goals.